welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. If me love Marcia one more time. Yeah. So Marcia come out, and you know how Marcia is. She's going to give the people what they want. And so she came to give you guys what you want. Now, she came out and she's talking about, basically that a whole lot of things. I guess you're gonna have to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say. But you have to bear in mind that Marcia is going to be Marcia. And in terms of that though, she's having a sheet sale. She's having her promotional sheet sales. You can go and catch the sale, while it lasts. She's selling her queen, king, and her comforter sets with, curtains and different stuff. Go and catch that as well. And guys, go watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, my family, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And sometimes we have to confuse the enemy. Confuse the enemy. Sometimes we have to portray to be in distress when they think that we would have been in distress. We should confuse the enemy by doing stuff that we think that they would like to see. Sometimes it's the simplest things that we can do to confuse the enemy, because you can't give the enemy all your hand at the same time. You can't show them what's in your hand. So confusion for the enemy is something that we can all do. Remember, when you're stepping up in life or when you're doing things that people don't really like or they don't want to see you with, you have to keep silent. You can't really tell people, because sometimes people don't want to see you having something that they do not have, or having something that they think that you're not supposed to have. So confusing the enemy is the way to go. Confusing them is the way to go. So with that being said, confuse the enemies in your life and let them believe that you're having the downfall when you're actually building and growing stronger each and every day. Little confusion is good. But then when it's time for you to show, then you can let the whole world know what it is. Have yourselves a beautiful day, everyone.
Hello people, how are you guys doing? Hello. I am kind of a little bit tired. And I just want to tell myself to hold on to Jesus. Sometimes, life is so hard, and life is already. And sometimes because of your pride and your something, you can't even tell people the real story. And true, me never did sell no sheet nor nothing. Me end up lose my storage. And me I come talk. And so me I fear buy everything over. So some of the people is right. When me say me lose my storage and stuff like that, and the time come, it's two storage and the bill went up. It went up 2 months. And it went up to a lot of money, over $1,000. And so me couldn't get to pay nothing. So me lose my storage. And so all me asking if you do is to come back, is to come and purchase some sheets and quilt from me. Me have some lovely sheets. And it's very good to start all over again. Nothing wrong with starting all over, because everybody have to start over in a life. But them say don't, they say when I dead, no dash it way. So come and order one of lovely quilts and sheets. Cause and anybody hear about me little job, me will take anything. If I even want 2-3 days, I want to fill in something. Yes, come over. Me will do it. Cause remember, say me drive. So anybody have a little weekend, me will do a little weekend. Cause you know you have a little money, and man not give you nothing really. They not pay rent and pay bills. And you know, and me you know, through me get my little apartment now. You know, me have to make sure say things are going. You understand? So anybody hear about me kind of feel like a shame. Anybody hear about any little job? Yes. Me shame so tell. Anybody hear about a little job and stuff like that? But me have to talk to you because me not have a soul to help me. You can get 4 queen sheets for $100. And you can get the 4 king for $120 per sale. But if you're going to buy one, it's $30 for the queen and $35 for the king. And the quilt them, the big nice quilt them, those are $70. And the rest of them is $40 and $50. So come on and support. And support and help out Sister Everbless. You understand? Yes, because remember say when I want me come out and want me happy. So I'm not really happy. Because I'm not really happy. And then again, me want help a young lady again and I can't get to help her. Because I want to sell the sheet them so I can help her. You understand? So you know it is already. And you see how them a bash me out. So come and buy a little sheet them, man. And as I said, if anybody hear about a little job, me would have glad to take a little job. If you don't hear about a little job for me. You just, yes, because Marcia need to get a little work. Because even do a little sheet business, I say, because me tired to go to my family, them, and I beg them money and make them pay my bills and everything. And me done up my little saving all kind of something if I start all over. But we have to start over something, right? We have to start right over. So just remember to come and get in the sheets and quilt them. Let me show you. Let me show you. And stuff like that. So me I go show you. Oh, you see there? You see? And get no little sheets them. And come on and help Sister Everbless. Yes. And that me figure. Come on and help Sister Everbless. Yes. And stuff like that. I remember say my car need to fix too. And everything. And my car, I know some my old car need to fix. Every day they cost me about my piece of car. So see what the sheets them look like. Me now come back to sell this one. Somebody want it with a full. And me have the towel set same way. And these are the new quilt that come out now. Look how them bad. See the new quilt them here. See the new quilt them come out here. Them bad like yours. 10-piece quilt, 100% cotton touch. See there? 2 pillowcase, 2 sham everything, and 4 solid color window panel. And a heavy. See there? Nice. Look how it look. And them are going with them things. Yes, me dear. Very heavy. I may have a green set. I may have a towel set. I may have the sheets them. I may have the sheets them. First come, first serve. So come on and support Marcia. So I can go back to market. Alrighty. And stuff like that. Yes. So come out and help Sister Everbless, okay? May I go in the supermarket now and go see if I get some a piece of chicken neck, cause me want to feel like no chicken right now. So I go in the supermarket, I have something to pick up in the supermarket. So I go pick up in the supermarket. Yeah man, so that is what it is. So I look and work. You know, I just get a little new place now, so and so I have to, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's as much as you see that place, it's $1,600 a month. 16. So it's not bad. But I know God is going to help me to pay the $1,600. The window and joke. Yeah, man, so come out and help Sister Everbless, okay? Me no business when they want chat. Me say take a video and go on with it. Wanna shame me, wanna shame me, wanna shame me, wanna shame me like a dog. But it's alright. You say one of that not that shit way. Me know me have to start over again. Yes, I'm gonna start right over. Share it the video. Yes. Share the video. Me lose my storage. I lose my storage and I lose everything. So I have to buy over everything. Me say I want to look up this a whole used bed. Me have to go get to. Yes. I want to look up this a whole used bed. Me have to go the second hand store buy this a whole used bed. That's right. Talk to my lovely supporter. So remember to come and get no sheet and quilt. And support Sister Everbless. So we can get back on track. Alright then. Bye bye people. I'm so ashamed.